This is IRM cement, and it's been around for a long time, and it's quite a versatile cement. It can be used to make a quick temporary filling, or it can be used as a temporary cement inside of a crown, depending on how thick you mix it. This does not require measuring because you mix until you get the consistency you want. If, for example, you want to make it to be a temporary, then you mix it very thick, like putty. If you want it to be a cement to cement a temporary crown on, then you mix it thin to the consistency of, say, Tempond or Dycal. So we'll do that here, and we'll show you what it looks like. We're going to just reach in here with our spatula and get out a pile of IRM like that. And again, you'll get used to how much you need as you use this. I'm going to put 3 drops initially of the liquid. And we're going to start to make a thin mix as though we were going to cement a crown. And then we'll just keep adding to make it a little thicker. Obviously, if I were going to cement a crown, I wouldn't put all this powder out because I'd just be wasting it. But we're going to eventually use it to make a very thick mix, so I'm going to need most of it. Okay, now you can see that that's kind of a nice little creamy consistency there, and that would be nice to put in a temporary crown to use as a cement. So let's put some more cement in here because we're going to make a temporary filling now, and we want to make it very thick. And sometimes when you think it's too thick to add any more, you can still put more in. It almost becomes like very dry, flaky material, and that's really the way it should be when you're going to use it for a temporary filling, because it will set very hard and very strong. You can see it's starting to get that dry, flaky appearance now. Doesn't have that creamy appearance that it did for the consistency of temporary cement. But now we can pick it up between our fingers and we can actually mold it into a little ball, like so. And this then can be our temporary filling material. An assistant can place this in the tooth in most states legally, and that makes for a nice durable temporary filling. Sometimes we can't see a patient late in the day and we don't want to dismiss them with a hole in their tooth, so this is a little quick fix to make it more comfortable for them until we can see them the next day or in a few days. So IRM can be used as a temporary cement or a temporary filling material.